Well, you're gonna have to excuse my mural. We are in the process of fixing that, but we have fixed so many things lately that I'm tired of fixing things. Obviously, I'm here with my friend Randy on my left, and I did something so stupid. I'm about to tell you how stupid this thing is.
Doing both like that, it looks like you did it on purpose.
Always say hi to your fellow bikers. Anyways, I did something really stupid. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to the Harley dealer right now. And the reason why is because I need some oil. But before I get into what happened, how it happened, all that stuff, just recently I changed his hand controllers, the levers, everything to chrome. And I'm sure some of you guys are just sick and tired of hearing me, because it was supposed to be an easy process and it turned to be a little, not a nightmare, but just a little bit. And the reason why is because my lack of for better words, my lack of skills. It's not like I'm a mechanic, anything like that, but one thing that I realized is that if you become, or if you own a Harley, an older one, you better be ready to learn how to make, you know, stuff happen, how to turn some wrenches. No matter what you do, there's going to be something that is you're going to have to fix, and it's not, if you don't fix it, it's going to cost you a lot of money. So that's just how it is, guys, you know. But it's kind of like the fun of it, you know. Like, I'm enjoying learning about motorcycle, I'm enjoying working on motorcycles, I'm enjoying doing my thing, you know. And if you messed it up, it's fine, because it's your motorcycle. So, but again, really excited about going in a little ride to the Harley dealer, because you know what, I haven't been able to do this. Me and Randy were just talking about it. We haven't been able to ride, we haven't been able to do much lately, because, you know, my bike being down, and you guys know the deal, it is what it is. But either way, as I was working on the bike and, you know, doing my thing, I started charging the battery. And if you guys saw the last video, if not one of the last videos, I put it down below, I had to replace the battery because my battery went dead. That's it. And I'm thinking that it was a really old battery, because it had one of those tubes, like a breather tube, which I didn't even know what to say or what it was. But one of you guys, or a couple of you guys, told me what it was. I definitely appreciate you guys' information. But again, as I was charging my battery, I forgot, listen to this, I forgot that my derby cover was open, because I was adjusting my clutch. So there I am with my derby cover open, and wow. I start up the motorcycle, and guess what, guys? Oil, as some of you guys would have guessed, oil went everywhere. Pretty substantial, or a pretty good amount of oil came out. Now, not enough not to ride it, I'm still riding it, but enough for me to be like, all right, I gotta go to the dealer and I gotta get some more oil. Definitely do. Can't see crap. A little bit of traffic right here. Almost there. Man, what a nasty traffic, dude. Just nasty. Finally. Yes. Let's do it. Alright, so back to my story. So, like I was saying, there we are, turning the bike on with no derby cover on. Dear Lord, help me. Oil everywhere. Just everywhere. So, I cleared it up, obviously. And then what I did was that, I checked it. I put the derby cover back on, obviously, the right way. And you know what? I learned from my mistakes. I guess one of the things will be to check the bike. If you're working on the bike, before you turn the bike on, just walk around, make sure that, everything is clear, everything is put back into place, everything is ready to go. And then, obviously, turn the bike on. I mean, that was totally my mistake. So what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to go to the Harley dealer. I'm going to buy some oil, but what I really want to buy is this little funnel that goes in the derby cover. And I've seen a couple guys putting it or doing it not in the derby cover. Remove the derby cover and then put it right there, and then you're supposed to put the oil through that special funnel. So yeah, guys, hopefully that's it. Now I got oil in my primary, making sure that everything's good to go. I know I'm about 15,000 miles. I have to do my next oil change. I'm about 12,000 and some, maybe 12,300 or something like that. So again, it's gonna be quite some time, but again, it's just one of those things that I wasn't paying attention, and I kind of put myself into trouble. All right, so let's do a little bit of riding because I miss it like crazy. Let's go into this dealer. I'll show you a little bit of this dealer over there. It's supposed to be, I'm sure some of you guys know where it is. It's the Daytona Harley-Davidson. It's one of the biggest one around here. When they do bike week and all that, it's like I forgot really what is the proper name for it. I put it on the screen, but it's a pretty famous dealer. Oh wow, this place is beautiful around here. Look at this. By the way, guys, just a quick update on the bike. It's running good. The battery in place, obviously, and I mean, no issues this morning turning the motorcycle on or anything like that. Look at that. I mean, I'm completely in love with this controllers. The levers, the chrome, how it looks is really, really nice. The levers are nothing crazy. It looks just like your basic lever. The only difference is that obviously they're chrome out. Look at this right here. Wow, what a beautiful place, man. We were so blessed to live around here. We could ride our bikes all year round. It's just amazing, man. But anyways, I'm going to do a particular video on this handles and talk about it because I actually want to get some nice B-rolls and things like that. And I want to kind of give the right information on that. So stay tuned for that. But everything is working just fine. I mean, the way that it's supposed to be working, and the shipping was so fast, it was ridiculous. I'm really, really surprised with the company, and the fact that it took me so long to put it on has nothing to do with the company. It has to do with me and lack of knowledge. But again, very, very happy. I love the look, and it makes the bike complete, if you want to put it that way. This is beautiful, man. Sometimes I ride my bike, and if you are a believer in Christ or anything like that, it really is a way to really, I don't know how to put it, but it connects. Like, it's a nice time for me to listen to music, to worship the Lord, to see His creation, and you could actually feel it. You could feel it. It's just an amazing time. I love this road right here. I definitely got a lot more things that I want to do to the bike. I want to talk about it in a specific video alone. But obviously, you know, I want to put a 21-inch and things like that in the front. It's going to be cool. It's going to be a nice project. And I'm hoping in the next couple years will look like a cool cholo bike. And again, that's just something that I'm going to be working, you know, through the years. No rush. I'm actually enjoying it very much. I don't want to get to a point where I don't ride it. I want to be sure that I ride it. I want to make sure that I enjoy it, and I want to make sure that it looks a specific way. And so far, I've been pretty happy with the things that I've done. Very, very happy. You gotta have some money to live there. Got some fellow riders coming up. Never been through here, so Randy's leading the way. We typically take US 1 to go to the dealership, but you know, wanted to take a different way just so we could take a little ride. And thanks God, because this is definitely a nice ride. Makes a noise. There it is. Bruce Myers. Is it Bruce Meyer? I don't know. Obviously, JP Psycho right there. You guys see me riding here. In a serious note, it sucks not having Murals the right way. I really, really need to fix that. It's going to be one of the things that I'm prioritizing this week, because it's actually kind of unsafe, and I want to make sure they are fixed and locked on, if that make any sense. Gorgeous bike. Oh. That is pretty. I like this better. That's pretty cool how they have that Harley. This bike is gorgeous. No, that goes fast. Wow. That's cool, dude. I think they are. Harley leaking oils right there. Alright, kind of weird. That guy was recording me, but it's okay. He dig the old style motorcycles. I'm out of here. I hope you guys having a great day. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified. And as always, God is in control.